I don't normally do commentary videos, so it's the first one. I was thinking about the whole Star Wars debacle with Disney, Marvel, etc. The hatred for the fans. I was just thinking, it's something like the going back to sort of Star Wars analogies. It's somewhat like, come on, oh, no, over here. It's somewhat like the Empire versus the Rebellion, and you know, looking at DVD Overlords videos and stuff recently, it very much is. It's like the fans are rising up, and we're rebelling against the Empire, and we're getting, and it looks like we're starting to get tiny successes, you know, things like the hello, yes, no, with the announced the Marvel films being moved back, or sorry, the announced Star Wars film being moved back, and it's and they're still trying to replace it with a Mandalorian film, and it's really quite interesting. So it's also getting scared because now I think they're running out of money, so they really need to do something. Right, hello, needed field. Come on. Right, let's just pause this for a moment. Right, so just to continue, it's the hello, other girl. Come on. So it's the whole Ray movie thing. It's like the as DVD Overlord, I say this, the bestest women. You know, forgetting the whole thing that Luke Skywalker and the whole lot. You know, they all went through tragedy. They all went through learning experiences, working as a team. I mean, suddenly you have Ray that comes along, suddenly knows everything instantly. It's like, oh yeah, because all women know everything instantly. There's never any learning experiences. No, it's a complete travesty. And you think about the this new director coming in who's never done a feature film. You know, I think the no, what are we looking at? No, leave the poo. You know, we've got the she's done documentaries. You know, her whole thing seems to be based on nothing about films, and it's awful. She's like got no idea what she's doing, and yet suddenly she's going to do this amazing film, and it's just like nobody cares. It's like really nobody does care anymore, and suddenly I'm not going to watch them. Gave up on it. Gave up most of Star Wars. Most give up on the sort of Star Trek stuff. No, I was always the core audience. So from the 70s, come on, from the 70s, you know, I've always been watching sci-fi films and everything. So core audience, along with a lot of women. You know, a lot of the characters are women, and to say none of these films we've had, you know, they've never had strong women apart from you know, Ripley in, hey, no, leave the poo. Come on. Is unfathomable. It's like they're rewriting history, they're rewriting everything. You know, they're just, everything is men bad. And basically it's like the whole communist regimes and stuff, they're always rewriting history to suit them. And no, what? There's nothing going on. Come on, you're gonna go out. What? And yeah, they're just, it's like there's not an ounce of originality in any of them. They just rehash their stuff. There's no there is no originality. Nobody wants to do anything, and I guess some of it is nobody wants to pay for original movies in case they fail. Yeah, everything that's being done at the moment is just failing, because nobody takes any risks. They're just rewriting everything with different people, and yeah, well, it's a complete travesty. You know, you want the best people for the job, not to have some activists. Yeah, no, not activism. in these films. And yeah, it's all about the message, nothing about the story. Most people just want stories, which is true, they do. And I'm not bothered. I'd rather just watch YouTube stuff nowadays rather than go to the cinema, do films. And the commentary about everything going on is far more entertaining than any of the output from Hollywood. But yeah, the final words on this is pretty much Hollywood needs to fail. There's so many other countries that produce films which people want to watch. You know, not everything is centered around this American, come on this way, this American version of film. And it's just wait. So yeah, nothing, you know, it's not all about this vision. Anyway, I'm going to end it there because horse is in the field, so she's going to want to be let go. Okay, so thanks for listening.